What is up, my stretch people? This is Shank. Welcome back to his channel, Birkenstock Alternatives. This video is all about, and I will quickly talk about the recent Birkenstock options which I got. I will not talk about in detail for as a review perspective because I will do a different video. But this video is all about what are the alternatives you can get on budget for different models which I am showing in this particular video. First and foremost, let's talk with the cheapest Birkenstocks you can get, which is the Birkenstocks Arizona Eva options. Basically, ది క్రాక్స్లో కానీ మన నార్మల్గా రబ్బర్ స్లైడ్స్ ఉంటాయి చూసారా, ఆ టైప్ శాండల్స్ అనమాట. ఉస్కే తర శాండల్స్, బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాసిక్ అరిజోనా షేప్. దిస్ కమ్స్ విత్ ఎ కంప్లీట్ ఈవా, అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ లైక్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ వాటర్ రెసిస్టెంట్ అనమాట, విచ్ యూ కెన్ లిటరలీ వేర్ ఎనీ టైమ్ త్రూ అవుట్ ది ఇయర్. దిస్ ఇస్ మై రఫ్ అండ్ టఫ్ ఆప్షన్. ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ సిన్స్ లాస్ట్ one and a half month. Initially not that super comfortable, but with time this gets really comfortable. This particular plastic attachment on the back side, it will touch your feet, and it's gonna hurt or give shoe bites at the very start in case if you don't get the sizing right. There is this brand called Boldfit anamata. These are the Boldfit sliders. Even though they do call it as sliders, basically these are the sandals in the exact shape, and these sandals are actually comfortable because basically these are also the EVA sandals only, and water resistant as well, and they come at a price point of 522, and for few of the sizes at 499. They do come in three colorways: the navy, the black, and the gray color, depending on what exactly the colorway you would like to. I would suggest that go with the black color. For these kind of shapes, black color looks the best. And next, there is this brand called Dr. Extra Soft. This is also very comfortable option. This is also in the same sliders with the sandal shape, comes with the EVA, water resistance and everything, at 647 rupees, with a good reviews, more than 2370 with a 4 stars. This one again at 600 rupees price point, you will get again similar look. Next up are these classic Arizonas from Birkenstock. These are the options which are the classics. I got in this oil leather, in this navy blue oil leather, with the footbed being in the normal classic beige color, and again the outsole, everything basically is the same, but these ones have the cork, which they call it as a cork resealants అని అయ్యని extra ఉంటాయి కానీ, but no, this one I got it in a soft footbed version. They call this the regular footbed or a soft footbed. Soft footbed ఏంటంటే తోడా better in terms of the comfort, and they don't need much time to break in అనమాట. So what I love about this and what I don't love about this, I will just do a video, but this is after 1 week of usage. These are not durable. I would not say that these are not durable, but these are like a little bit difficult to maintain, and you should be okay when the footbed turns into the blackish color. You can clean, but you will not get the first look how clean and pristine they are. You will not get that same look again. This is after just 1 week of usage, and you can see my fingerprints and everything. It gets molded and it gets more comfortable with time, and like woodland suede shoes gani, sandals gani ఉంటాయి కదా, లోపల బ్లాక్ అయిపోతాయి. ఐసా తర బ్లాక్ हो जाता है, but that is fine. That is part and parcel of their look, and you can clean that using a specific liquid, but you will not get that pristine look anamata, or else you can use sandpapers to just grit them. That's something you need to remember. But these are the oiled Arizonas. To get that exact Arizonas look, those cost 13,000 rupees, but at 2,000 rupees you do get from Louis Stitch with an open toe cork sandals, again with the suede, with the cork on the sides, and the leather being in the black color. Everything, it looks basically the same, and also comfort will be more or less the same. Not the soft footbed version. The soft footbed versions are like really comfortable. These ones, it's okay in terms of the comfort, but you do get at 2,300 rupees price point. This is a great option, and Louis Stitch, always the quality will be good, and also the packaging is like fantastic. For 799 rupees from Centrino, you can get again a similar look. Of course, you will not get the actual cork and actual suede, but you do get that look, and you do get like okayish comfort, but main here the purpose is that looks almost in the similar colorway, and different colorways. If you want brown color straps, black color, blue color, whatnot, you do get everything at 700 rupees price point. If you use card discount, sometimes you do get closer to 600 rupees price point as well. However, if you want slightly better comfort, and also from a slightly reputed brand, Bata is also one brand which offers at 1,200 rupees price point, again available all the sizes. This one which you are seeing on the screen here is in the brown colorway with the beige color or the slightish brown color, same cork, again suede footbed and everything. One thing, because I did shoots for Bata on Instagram, one thing I wanted to let you know, the comfort would be great, but the insole comfort would not last for a longer period of time. After that, they tend to get flattened out. Birkenstocks generally, they get better because they use the actual suede along with the jute for this insole, and they have the cork layer, jute layer, and also an extra soft insole, and on top of that you do have the suede. But here it is not the case. That is something, in case if you're going with the other alternative, something to remember. If you want super comfort and slightly similar look in an all brown colorway in the suede, Hush Puppies is one brand. Again, Bata se thoda sa upgraded version hai Hush Puppies. You do get one in the green color, one in the brown color, but these are extremely comfortable. Shape thoda sa front part na ucha rehta hai, careful అనమాట. When you wear it, it will not be that much pronounced as it is looking here, but అది మటుకు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఓ యాద్ రఖో. But these are like very comfortable, but a pura suede and thoda sa difficult to maintain the upper portion as well. Now let's go into the next option from Birkenstocks, which I got recently, and I'm yet to use this option, so I can't talk about the comfort and everything. The initial impressions I'm going to talk about. These are the Birkenstocks Clogs, or they call it as a Bostons. This is in this 100% leather. Even the upper portion where the insole is, the outer portion, everything is the natural leather. These are priced at 19,000 rupees. Super expensive. I got this in the store very recently. I'm yet to use them because I loved the look of it. I'm not sure that whether I will keep this or I will return them because I loved the look when I tried it at the store. I bought this, but when I tried with the trousers and everything, I'm not the one who likes this particular Clogs kind of a shape to wear it casually. Means with the cropped bottom wear like denims and with the linen pants, when I wear socks with them, it looks good. But without socks, if I'm wearing with a slimmer to regular fits or maybe super loose fits, which are in longer length, this is not looking that great. However, in terms of this look, in terms of the insole and everything, the comfort stays the same. These are something like which are good in case if you walk for a longer period of time and if you want the comfort of these sandals, but slightly shoe shape undali anukunte, these are the ones. Again, for this many alternatives. One such alternatives of course is the super popular Crocs, which you can get at 1,000 or 1,100 rupees price point, but you do get that EVA version of it. In case if you want those other versions, you have to spend somewhere around 2,000 to 2,500 rupees.